to show you Knick-Knack's Angel Food Cake Mix and how easy it is to use this mix, and a couple things to avoid some major common mistakes that happen. One of the most important things is to make sure that you whip your egg whites to stiff peak. You're going to fold in the mix with your hand. You don't want to mix it too much because you don't want to lose the volume of the egg whites. It's very important never to spray your Angel Food Cake pan. It needs to be able to climb the pan as it bakes, and it always has to have a cone on the pan. Into the oven at 375. This is one of the most common mistakes when mixing Angel Food Cake. You never use the mixer. The things that happen is you just beat all of that air out of your egg whites. So it has half the volume of what it should have in the pan. This is our Angel Food Cake, our finished product, that we used our hands to fold in the mix, and you can see that it's very even in structure, and it's about 3.5 inches in height. This is the Angel Food Cake that we use the mixers to beat in the dry blend, and you can tell that we beat a lot of the air out, and it is very deformed, and it only has a finished height of about 2.25. So this is what your Angel Food Cake should look like. It's got nice cell structure, and we didn't beat all the air out of it. It's got a nice crust on the top and the bottom. This is the one that we beat the air out because we used the mixers to beat it, and you can tell that it's quite tight and the cell structure is very small. So remember, when you're using Knick-Knack's Angel Food Cake Mix, it is always important to make sure that you fold the dry ingredients into the egg whites with your hand and never with an electric mixer.